Hello, my daffodils. How are you? Hope you all are doing great with your studies and welcome back to our mathematics world. In the previous lecture, we have discussed about place value, expanded form and writing number in words. If you have not seen that video, please go through it thoroughly and then come back here again. Now let's start today's lecture by revising place and place value. As I said, the place and place value, they are two different concepts. So here are some colored digits for which you have to write what is the place and what is the place value. 9. So what is the place of 9? Hundreds. What will be the place value? It will be 9 into 100, that will be 900. Similarly, the second one, 0. What is the place? Ones. And what is the place value? 0 into 1, which will be 0. The third one, 2 is at lakhs place. So 2 into 1 lakh will be 2 lakh. So these are the place value and these are the places. Let's move ahead. This is our new topic for today, that is standard form when expanded form is given. In the previous lecture, we have seen how to write the expanded form. Now in this lecture, we are going to write a number from the given expanded form. For this, first you have to write all the places, which will depend how long your expanded form is given to you. Now let's start. First all the places will be written and then you will read each and every number given in the expanded form very carefully. So here are the places. Now start reading the number carefully. 6,000. That means 6 is at 1000 place. 800, which means 8 is at 100 place. 60, 6 is at tens place and 2 is at ones place. Similarly, the second one is done. You can have a look. Let's go to the third one. 70,000 plus 9,000 plus 0 plus 90 plus 8. Here are the places. 70,000 and it is not 7,000. So we will write 7 at 10,000 place. Then 9,000. So 9 is at 1000 place. Now comes 0, which means after 1000 place we are going to put 0 at 100 place. 90, that means 9 is at tens place and 8, which means 8 is at ones place. Similarly, the next one is done. Let's check the last one. 1 lakh plus 0 plus 500 plus 0 plus 20 plus 0. So many zeros. Okay, so here are the places. 1 lakh, which means 1 is at lakh place. Then afterwards 0. Then 5,000, that means 5 is at 1000 place. Again 0 at 100 place. Then 20, 2 at tens place and then again 0, 0 at ones place. I hope you have understood. Now let's see one more topic which is similar to this. Standard form when number name is given. In the previous lecture we have learned this also, that how to write a number in words. Now in this lecture we are going to write a number with the help of these words. That means with the help of number name. So same rule, first we are going to write all the places and then we are going to read the number name carefully. Okay, so places are written. Now start reading. 56,000. I hope you remember the periods. That means the digits who are coming in same family, same period, they are written or read collectively. I hope you remember that, right? Okay, so 56,000, which means 5 is at 10,000 place and 6 is at 1000 place. 500, so 5 is at 100 place. 32, which means 3 is at tens place and 2 is at ones place. Similarly, second one is done for you. Let's check the third one. 98,020. So here are the places. 98,000. So here it is written 98,000. If you notice, 100 place is not mentioned here. So we will simply put 0 at 100 place. And then 20, which means 2 at tens place and 0 at ones place. Simple, isn't it? Let's take the fourth one. It's of similar kind, you can check. We are also having fifth for you, 1,06,101. How to write this? 1 lakh, so 1 is at lakh place, 600, that means 6 will be directly going to 100 place, okay, and then lastly 1, which means 1 will be at 1's place. The other places, that is 10,000, 1000 and tens, there we will put 0 simply, okay. Let's move ahead. Now in real life, normally we compare things. This is heavy, this is light, this is long, this is short. Now let's compare the numbers. For this, the first step is to check how many number of digits are there in that particular number. Let's start from the left hand side. How many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. What about the right hand side? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So as you can see, here are the 6 number of digits and here are 7 number of digits. So obviously the number which is at right hand side will be greater because it is having more number of digits. Let's see the second one. Start counting the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now here both the numbers are having same number of digits. So in this case, you have to compare the digits of both the numbers one by one. So let's compare. Here it is 2, here it is 3. So 3 is greater, so this whole number becomes greater. Similarly, the third one. First we will count the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now compare the digits one by one. 6, 9, 3, 4, 6, 9, 3, 4, then again 6, 4, 6, 3, which means the last digit, that is this 4 and 3 are different and 4 is greater, so this whole number becomes greater. It's easy, right? Similarly, the next one, 5 and 6, so 6 is greater, so this whole number is greater. Yes. Now let's check the last one. As you can see, this number is having more number of digits. Okay. So what do you think? Which one will be greater, right or left? Of course, the left hand side number, because it is having more number of digits. Okay. Let's see the next topic. Here comes a short and sweet topic, that is forming numbers. Here you have to form a largest number using these digits where no digit should be repeated. Okay, it should be without repetition of digits. So for this, you have to write these digits in descending order. That means at first place we need the greatest digit. Okay, for largest number we need greatest number at first place and then we will write in descending order. So how it will go? 8, 6, 4, 3, 1 and 0. Okay, and what about the smallest number? As I said, for largest number we need the greatest digit at first place. So if we want to write smallest number, that means we will be needing the smallest number at first place, which is 0, isn't it? So can we write 0, 1, 3, 4, 6, 8? Well, no, because if we put 0 at first place, actually that number will be only 13,468. So in that case, we are not using 0, isn't it? Because if we put 0 at first place, 0 doesn't have any value there. Understood? So how we are going to write it? We are going to write 1 first and then 0. Are you getting it? Because if we write like this, that means we are ignoring 0 and we are not using 0 in that number. Because if we put 0 here, it doesn't have any value. I hope you understood. Let's check some more examples. See the second one, it will link up to this. Yes. Largest number, as I said, start with the greatest digit, that is 9. Then 5, 3, 2, 1, 0. What about smallest number? You will not write 0 at the first place. You will write 1 and then 0, immediately 0. Understood? And then followed by the other digits which will be in the form of ascending order. Okay, in the largest number you will be following descending order, and here ascending order in smallest number. Just the condition is, if it is 0, it will come at second place. Simple as that. So that's all for today, children. So today what we have learned? We have learned the difference between place and place value, then how to write standard form when expanded form is given and when number name is given. Thirdly, we have seen some rules for comparing numbers, and then lastly forming greatest and smallest number with the help of the given digits. In the next lecture, we will be learning about rounding of numbers. Till then, please be updated with your classwork and homework. And yes, eat healthy, do daily exercise. Thank you for watching and meet you soon in the next lecture.